Welcome to the future of coding. If you've ever wanted to build something amazing, Python is your gateway. It's clean, powerful, and most importantly, it is the most beginner-friendly language on the planet today. First, let's get you set up. Downloading Python is your first step into a world of endless possibilities. A high-tech environment keeps things organized. Remember, Python emphasizes readability and simplicity above all else. Now, the core concepts, variables, loops, and functions appear like interactive 3D components in your digital space. Python's syntax is close to plain English, making complex logic feel as simple as a natural conversation. Real magic happens when you build. From web scrapers to automation, Python turns your ideas into reality. The secret is to learn by doing. Stay consistent, and you will be amazed at what you can create. Ready to master the craft? Join us at Prouny for more expert insights into the tech world. Subscribe to Prouny now and launch your coding journey. The future is yours to build.